My crypto journey started in late 2017, and I'm quite sure many people's crypto journey started at that same time as well. Hey, this is Rochelle, and welcome to Multiple Passive Streams of Income. In 2017, Bitcoin was all the rage. It traded higher than $19,000 at the end of 2017. At that time, I didn't buy Bitcoin outright. I cloud mined it through a company called Hashflare. Now, cloud mining is where you invest in a company that is physically mining Bitcoin and other crypto, where they have a warehouse full of hard drives that are making Bitcoin transactions 24/7. That company uses your investment for the electricity that runs the hardware that verifies crypto transactions. When a miner successfully verifies a transaction and gets paid Bitcoin for completing that service, a portion of that Bitcoin payment is given to you for investing in the cloud mining company. So this is how I accumulated the Bitcoin I own today. I actually started this YouTube channel because of crypto. I was so excited about this new technology, and I told everyone that would listen. As you know, shortly after, Bitcoin dropped in price lower than $4,000 in February 2019. And of course, all the doubters definitely let me know. Hey, Rochelle, how's that Bitcoin working for you now? Now, obviously, Bitcoin dropping so drastically didn't feel good, but never once did I consider selling it. I knew it had an important use case, and it would regain and exceed its value in the future. Now, did I know it would take 3 years for that to happen? No, but I felt strongly that it would happen. Now, my crypto investments for me are for the future. These are nest eggs for me. I'm not trying to time the tops and the bottoms of the market. I'm slowly accumulating crypto that I believe has important usage that will change and penetrate major markets. With Bitcoin, you are able to store value like you would with gold and remove any governmental and geographical controls or limitations because Bitcoin is decentralized. I've slowly accumulated XRP. Again, another crypto with an important use case. This crypto will increase the speed of large cross-border payments. What takes days for banks to do now will take seconds for XRP to do. So we're talking about infiltrating the banking industry. I have very small amounts of other crypto like BAT and XLM and Cardano, to name a few, but I'm not totally sure how important their use case is. I basically picked them up hoping to find a diamond in the rough. The other day, I came across this video created by Andre Jick, and I'll put a link in the description below, but it educated me about Ethereum. I didn't know the important use case of Ethereum and the potential explosion that has an excellent probability of occurring. I don't want to regurgitate Andre's content because he gives a very detailed explanation of Ethereum's use case and explains why and how price may increase because of this use case. So my accumulation now will be focused at Ethereum. Now, people may shy away from getting into crypto because the prices have grown exponentially in a short time, and it could be at the top of the market temporarily. But if you invest for the long term and hold, aka hodl, it's always the right time to invest. We see this happen with the S&P all the time. In the long term, the S&P historically always makes a new high. So if you are not cashing in your investments in a short term, you don't have to be as concerned about when you invest. Now, please don't confuse this with real estate. In my opinion, no one should be buying real estate now. Unless you have to move and purchase something to live in, I don't understand why anyone would buy residential real estate now. The writing is on the wall, and history has shown time and time again the economy has to correct itself. The only reason why it hasn't started yet is because COVID is allowing people to not get evicted, landlords not to be foreclosed on. When these special circumstances stop, the dominoes will begin to fall. And yes, it will take a few years to fully settle, but when it does, bargain basement real estate prices will happen again. It starts with unemployment rising, savings and 401k plans being exhausted, rent and mortgages will be unpaid, evictions and foreclosures will increase, and in a few years span, the smart money comes in, seizes the opportunity, and gets richer. Listen, stack your chips. Position your credit for that opportunity because you have time. Slowly accumulate important use case crypto. Educate yourself on how to create non-W2 income and become part of the smart money. I have a link below for Coinbase, which will pay you $10 in Bitcoin if you buy or sell $100 in crypto on their platform. Again, this is multiple passive streams of income. This is what we do. As always, thanks for your time, as I know you could be any other place right now. Take care.